This is our cowbell. We ring this every time students publish a story. My idea was really to align this program as much as possible with industry. Why is it that only graduate programs in the area should cultivate the next great reporter? Here at Laney College, we have students that can cover any kind of story, that are getting training that is aligned with industry. More complex training in public records, in fact, is what we've become known for, and a deep delve into our brand, which mostly evolves around investigative reporting. At Peralta Community College District, there's a tremendous opportunity because it is kind of a microcosm for local government in the sense that we are a publicly funded institution. And this is one of the first questions that I ask my students every semester. How big do you think the budget is for this institution? And they'll say, oh, $5 million, $7 million. And the look of shock on their face when they learn that this is hundreds of millions of dollars every single year is often like a light bulb moment in our classroom that inspires students to, watch things more closely and demand accountability. For the skills that students get here, they can go out into the world with for reporting. They can go report on the city of Oakland. They can delve into, their child's school board. They can read financial documents. So there's no prerequisites. There's nothing required. I work with students wherever they are when they join the program. If they have a passion for truth, for critical thinking, for analytical skills, for gathering information, and really for service to their community, then they're ready for journalism. And just depending on, the skills that you're seeking, how much you want to immerse yourself into the world of journalism, there's many different options for you.